What's up, YouTube? We got another GEC. This is an 83 in Sambar Stag. Let me go ahead and clean it up. We'll wax it. It's not, it's clean. This one has just a hair of a touch of lock rock, but it's really close to being perfect, so I'm not worried about it. It's a really nice piece. Fits just about perfectly, honestly. Right on that. I like the stag on this piece quite a bit. Hard to ask for more than this, considering every piece of stag is unique, and many of them rather kind of a letdown, I would say. Not this one, but others can be kind of a letdown. This one really is nice. Alright guys, that's about it for this one, all she wrote. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. And I hope you folks have a great rest of your day. Bye now.